Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers, I hope you're all well. Oldest friend and I have been camping in this local beauty spot. Look at that, it's a stunning morning. He's now gone and there's a couple of geocaches, well at least one that I can do on the way home, so might as well have a look, eh? Let's go! Really is quite stunning around here. Just entering Gillamore and I'm about 47 metres away. Just need to pull up somewhere. Right, pulled up about 180 metres away. Let's get out and have a look. What a beautiful little village this is. Now that's St Aiden's church and it's somewhere in those grounds, I believe. You can see that we're about 79 metres away. Look at this, isn't it beautiful? What a lovely little place. Gorgeous, isn't it? Always something quite serene, isn't there, about graveyards? Found it, found it, found it. Signed it, logged it, popped it back. Let's have a little meander around the rest of this church ground because it is lovely. Just out of curiosity, for geocaching videos, do you like it when I show you some of these extra bits of footage, or do you just want to see the caches? Let me know in the comments. Here we are, back around to the side again, from the gate where I came in. And just up ahead in the distance you can see my new van. But seriously, isn't this lovely? As I say, let me know in the comments if you like it when I do these extra little bits. I've just noticed on the other side of the road there, the graveyard, it's like an extension. Right, there's another one at Nunnington, about 10 kilometres away. It's on my way back, might as well have a look, right? There are some beautiful little villages on this route. So I'm about 5 kilometres away now, not too far to go. This area, this whole area is just beautiful British countryside. Can't beat a bit of Yorkshire. About 2 kilometres to go. I mean, look at that, it's just stunning, isn't it? It's lovely. So just driving into Nunnington and I'm about 600 metres away. Nunnington Hall is just on the left here and it looks like this cache is going to be just at the other side. Well, I did end up driving past it, so I've come back and I'm just parking up so that I can go and have a look on foot. So yeah, I'm about 550 metres away. Get a boat on there. Come on Carl, it's not a kayaking video, come on. Look at the apples on that. Nice. Now I'm walking through Nunnington village and this brings back many happy memories because there used to be a little festival here, music festival I used to come to, and we used to pull in just down here and camp in this field, an area here, and have it in this little shack. So they're one of those lovely little villages with little cottages and churches. You can see that it's saying I'm about 320 metres away. Look at this, Ray Grocer. Looks like this has been an old grocer's shop at some point. Now I think I have to go through here looking at this, straight on. Public footpath. Nice little stream slash river there. About 100 metres away. Some lovely trees. About 26 metres away, 20 metres. I'm guessing it's in this area somewhere. Found it, found it, found it. I've got my trusty Victorinox tool of the trade with me, with a built-in pen that writes on waterproof logs, watery logs I should say, damp logs. However, that's not essential today because this is nice and dry. There's a farmer up there just fixing his fence and he's right in my line of view for putting this back. I'm going to have to dawdle. Oh, he's moved away. I think I've just got time to pop this back while he's not looking. Done it. Signed it, logged it, popped it back. Right, let's get back to the car. The van, I'm in a van now. Let's get back to the van. Just as you come out of that footpath area, you can go over here as well. Let's go and have a quick look. Nice little bridge overlooking the water. Oh, look at that. Isn't that lovely? Oh, and then in the other direction too, look. See, I bring you to all the best places. I missed this on the way past. There's some lovely little areas in villages, little things. The cabbage patch. Share seeds, plants, veg and fruit. How cool is that? See, it's a van. I'm definitely a van driver now. Right, there's another one at Hovingham on the way back, about 3.8 kilometres away. Let's do it. Sheep in the road, sheep in the road. Where are you going? I think that one's escaped. Cracking view over the top here just before the drop down. Just entering Hovingham now. I'm about 500 metres away. Now this is a busy little village and it's in a public area, so I may have some trouble retrieving this, I'm not sure. Also, not sure if you can see this, but the screen's all blurry and that's because reception here is a bit naff, so I'm not getting good clarity on the location. Oh, look at that, it's gone funny. Well, even though the GPS was playing up, found it, found it, found it. Can't recommend these Victorinox compact knives enough. You might have seen the video if you watch all my geocaching ones where I've talked about this as a tool of the trade. It's a little pocket knife, legal for everyday carry because it doesn't lock and it's within the legal limit for a knife, plus it's got loads of other little useful tools on it as well as pen and tweezers. But tweezers not required, just a pen. This log's a bit damp, so this was one of those times when that ability to write on a wet log with that little pen has come in really handy. And now I've got to sneak it back. And it's quite busy in the area. Look at that, you don't see many of them these days. It looks like it's working as well. Sometimes it can be advantageous having a camera because it means you can film stuff while you're doing other stuff. Looks like you're doing a documentary or something. Anyway, there's a nice little bakery over there that's open. Let's see if I can get some breakfast. Lovely focaccia with feta, a frangipan and a little bottle of Purdy's. And I'll have this while I have a quick look, see if there's anything else I can do on the way home. Filth! My phone battery's going to die soon, so I'm going to wrap this up there. Thank you so much for watching. You know what to do about the whole like, subscribe thing. Blah, blah, blah. Alright, you take care of yourself. Cheerio. This is so good.